Boom! Did I scare you? Ha, it's me. Haven't posted in 6 months. How embarrassing. It's actually embarrassing. I'm just gonna do a Rubik's Cube video of reviewing my cubes. I don't have a lot, so don't judge. It's the worst lighting ever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my LED light here. Shine it, you know what I'm saying? Can't see anything. Holy crap. Okay, that's better. I'm filming this at 6 o'clock. It's probably 7 right now. First, yes, it's made out of Lego. But you know, it's all good, bro. It's all good. Because it's actually a custom mod that I made. Turns pretty well. Actually, it sucks. Well, it turns fast, but, you know, obviously there's the Lego 3x3, so they think they're so smart. And ignore the music behind me, because my mom's listening to music, and it's really annoying. It's the worst time to film. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, so I'm going to put this one back. Next cube is the Rubik's. Yeah, the Rubik's. Once you hear the word Rubik's, you like go back, you jolt back. I know. Rubik's 2x2. It turns pretty good actually for a Rubik's puzzle, and I didn't even put lube in it. It turns pretty good for a Rubik's brand, obviously, because you know. I have this other one. It's also trash. I loosened it up a little bit and put, you know, some shampoo inside it. Yeah, and it actually loosened up. Because obviously Rubik's puzzles, you can't loosen Rubik's puzzles up, which is very bad. You can't, you know, do anything with the Rubik's Cube. You can't like loosen it or anything. But next puzzle, giant 3x3. I'm just kidding. It actually opens up and you can scramble it. I need to film this right here. See, guys? And it goes like this. Oof. So, yeah, that's basically what, you know, that's this puzzle. And it's alright. It's good and all, but yeah. Here is the last cube. It's also made out of Lego. This is my cube, actually. It has J's on it. And, of course, it's, you know, J and stuff. So, yeah, and I also made a stand out of it. So it works. But I also made a stand that can also fit a Rubik's puzzle on there. So, see, this is the stand. Of course, it's made out of Lego. Oh my god. But yes, it's made out of Lego. But it's fine, because it actually holds better. Like, tell me that's not good? That's pretty good. I mean, it's not horrible or whatever, but yeah, so that was everything today. Sorry I haven't uploaded. We're going to upload every Saturday, except Saturday we're not going to film. Next Saturday you'll see another video. By the way, happy April Fools, happy St. Patrick's Day, happy Christmas. Wait, what? Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Stay safe and wash your hands. Peace.